Hello everyone, welcome to another video. We're going to be doing for just a quick winter wash to get rid of all the main big grime on your car, because this car is absolutely filthy considering we have stuff growing on it and everything here. So yeah, this feels like a good car to show off a good detox and big clean. And yeah, just to see how it comes up and show you guys in case you have a car that's been sitting around for maybe 10 years maybe. Just needs a good clean. So yeah, this isn't a full detail, but yeah, it's just a bit of a fun good cleanup. Okay, so we're gonna start with some radical pre-wash. Just get that going all along here. Obviously, if you're after any of this sort of stuff, don't forget we are giving you 20% off at Autoperfection. We have, follow the links and the discount code in the description below. But yeah, have fun with that.
So while that's soaking, grab yourself some reaction or any fallout, but again, this is Autoperfection reaction. There we are. Just give it a bit of a spritz over. Alright, get yourself your 2 buckets. We've got the other one just over there. Get yourself some all-purpose cleaner. Spray it around the edges while your reactant is doing its bits. Get yourself a nice wheel brush. Tyre brush, sorry, go around all the tyres. So we'll do that as you get to watch the magic happen. So depending on how dirty they are, what you do, grab yourself some more APC, get a little wheel brush or a little brush that you can use on the wheels, and give it just a bit of agitation. If you've still got the fallout remover on there, that's okay, because what that will do is add a little bit of irritation to that and help it just bring off, so you're not sitting there scrubbing. I wouldn't recommend doing anything like this in the heat, because obviously the fallout will eat into your wheels and your paintwork and all the nasty stuff like that.
Okay, so wheels got started on, huge difference as you can see. That's just to rinse off the pre-wash. Let's get that done now. Okay, so that's the snow foam rinsed off. We're now just going to do a second coat of the snow foam, and then we go over that with the contact wash. So yeah, let's get the next one on now. Okay, now onto the contact wash. Obviously you want to go for your 2-bucket method with the nice Autoperfection ones here that clearly say which one's going to be which for your rinse and wash. So yeah, now we just got to get on with that, and a bit more clean to go, and soon we'll see how our, well, very shiny red probably by the end of this car is.
Because we're running out of everything, especially with the weather, just going to use a bit of quick detailer, spray it down, and then use a drying towel. The quick detailer acts as a drying agent and give us just a nice little gloss. We know it's not going to be perfect. If we had nice weather, what you'd probably want to do is quick detailer, dry it, and then use a spray wax or the super bead from Autoperfection and do that over the top. You could also super bead this over the top of a wet wax or a wet wash, and then dry it and wax it again. But again, you've got kind of got your options, but we're going to do it this way because of weather and love. I love how this smells.
So good.
No, but you see where it's dried?
Yeah.
It's lost that gloss.
Yeah.
So a nice proper layer of good quality wax over the top of good quality filter. Now that the car is as dry as it can be because it's raining.
Like always.
Yeah, as always, we are in England. I don't know why we're surprised. That is basically it, unless you're going to do any extra layers and stuff. You can see the differences. So the car's red, which was nice, I didn't know that, and the wheels were actually silver, not black, so that's interesting.
That's a surprise.
Yes, definitely. How did you find it though?
Yeah, I mean, you can tell anyway, the difference alone is so nice. So worth it. So, yeah. No, can't argue that. Huge difference. Car looks absolutely brilliant now. Definitely could be a lot better, but that's just more and more work, so we'll get there with it.
When it's dry,
yeah,
it'll be fine.
Yeah, we'll get there. Maybe one day, in what, 6 months, maybe we'll get a good weather when we're together.
A year, 2
Yeah.
years.
Something like that. One day. So at some point we'll find one. Yeah. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this one. Don't forget, description below, 20% off from Autoperfection if you want to get any bits to do this yourself. All be good, well worth it. Especially, I mean, you can see the difference we've just made in this car alone. So,
and it's not taken long at all. It's been a really quick slapdash sort of wash because of the weather.
Yeah, so it's easy one. Anyway, hope you've all enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.
Bye.